it's your girl Coco Natural, and thank you for watching my channel today. Today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about my twist out with bantu knots at the ends that I use, my FCA Naturals Chocolate Wonder Butter, and my Koils by Nature Shealoe Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. These are the results. Bam! 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 So these are my results. I absolutely love them. I did do a wash day with to get these results. This is the end of the day hair, and I love it. It's soft, it's defined. I don't have hardly any frizz. Smells wonderful. Still very moisturized. Absolutely love it. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.